So I talked about this stock on 27th of December 2020, and since then it's been up by 250%. So it's been a very good run for this stock. Now in this video we are going to discuss about the trend forward in the upcoming weeks as well as in the upcoming months. So do check out my previous video to get a sense how the trend has started, and in this video we are going to talk about the trend forward. So hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. In this video we are going to discuss about Energous Corporation or company, Energous. Now understand one thing, that we can actually find out a potential trend which will probably move on the upside. Now what we can't find is when will the actual rally started, or when will it actually start. Okay, if it has already started and you are sharp enough to pick it up, then it's fine. Or if it correlates or collates with the thought that you might have thought that it has actually started and the rally is actually going on, it's a different thing. But if you still have faith that whatever you have done, then it's been worthwhile to spend some time on it. Now why I'm saying this is because I'm getting lots of comment that, or whenever I'm talking to people, the message that I'm receiving is that I cannot get out or get in at an appropriate time. So it happens, but the thing is, do people have the patience to hold enough? Now this is one of those example where the trend is very much flat and it is smooth, and as you can see here, that the stock has already been moved up so sharply, and from the lows of 2020 it's actually a 10 bagger or 1000% return it has actually given. But are you able to hold it out? Because from 60 cents it actually went up to four and a half dollars, then it falls down to 1.7. so in this phase, I mean, how many people get shaked up? Because I do understand some people uh, purchased or bought the stock at 3.6, let's say at $4 as well, so they actually get shaked up when the stock started falling. So it's all about understanding things, and if you have already selected, have you planned it? If you haven't planned it and if you have purchased it, are you able to hold it? So there are lots of questions. Now, having said all these things, I think I have spent lots of time on this now, but it is important to understand. Now, if you can look at this chart, now the major thing that has happened in this particular chart is the breakout. Now, when I'm saying breakout, it means that the stock has actually entered its previous trend. Now as you can see here, I mean, in the second half of 2019, the stock has started falling and it's been going down till 2020. Meanwhile, the stock has broken this support. So this is a very prominent support for this stock in 2016 and 2018. The stock has broken down, and with this has actually become your resistance. Now with the stock moving up sharply above 4.77, the old trend has actually become started, and because it has become a resistance now, because and it went up, so what has happened? First, the resistance turned into a support, so you have your first support as well as your stop loss at 4.77. so think like that, below 4.77 you should be skeptical about the trend. And what has happened above 4.77 is actually your old trend has reactivated. Okay, what does it mean? It means it means that the stock has a very high probability that it will retest its previous high. Now let me draw all these levels properly. Okay, here we have. So the next target, if it holds above 4.77 as it is right now, will be $11. But at the end of the day, it can actually revisit its previous high of 2018, and it could actually move. If it surpasses $11, it can actually moves in between $19 and $23 respectively. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.